Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. I am doing all the exercise inside my episodes, techniques episode of hand abacus. This is episode number 12 and I'm going to do only exercises. I'm not going to explain all those techniques which I taught inside the episode. Okay, I'm doing only exercises to show how to use hand abacus. Let's start. Questions are on your screen. This is my small pocket hand abacus which is always in my bag. So I'm going to use from this last rod. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Place first make zero position and place 1 to 12. Place 7 6 76 minus 7 7 77. Place 8 6 86 minus 6 6 66. 3 131 is your answer. Question number 2. Make zero position always. Okay. 2 1 21. Place 6 7 67 minus 1 6 16 minus 6 2 62. Place 7 7 77. 8 7 is your answer. Question number 3. Place 3 1 31. Place 6 8 68 minus 8 6 86 plus 7 6 76 minus 6 8 68. 2 121 is your answer. Question number 4. 8 7 87 plus 1 1 11 minus 2 5 25 plus 1 6 16 minus 6 3 63. 2 6 26 is your answer. Finger process is very important. Please do not mix or you can't use anyway on the abacus. This is process by process. You have to learn through that. Okay, so watch my introduction episodes of abacus where I explain how to use your finger. Question number 5. 6 8 68 2 1 21 minus 3 4 34. Add 4 to 42 minus 6 6 66. 3 1 31 is your answer. Question number 6. 7 8 78 2 1 21 minus 2 and 7 27 minus 6 1 61. Add 8 8 88 and your answer is 9 9 99. Question number 7. 8 8 88 1 1 11. 8 3 minus 83. 7 2 72 minus 6 8 68 and your answer is 2 0 20. Question number 8. 6 6 66. Add 3 1 31 minus 9 6 96. Place 8 5 85 minus 2 6 26. 6 0 60 is your answer. Question number 9. 3 2 32 6 6 66 minus 7 8 78. Add or place 5 9 59 and reduce 6 8 68. 1 1 11 is your answer. Please do these exercises by yourself one more time, and if you feel any difficulties, please contact me through the messenger. You can get my Facebook page, links from the description box, and do not comment on my English language. Okay, and if you want to learn these techniques in detail, you have to watch another episodes. Please check my playlist or description box, and episodes are in English, Nepali and Hindi. Okay, So keep learning. See you in next episode. Ta-da!